Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Then let's scroll down again and tap on backup and reset option, and then tap on reset phone. As you can see, the second position is connected with the settings, with resetting the settings, so let's tap on it. We have to confirm it with our lock screen. And basically, our device does not inform us what it will reset, but here we've got the information that it will reset all settings, including network settings. So simply tap on reset all settings, confirm it again, and right now we have to wait until our device will reset everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.